ISTQB Foundation Level, question 489. Which of the following should not be a trigger for maintenance testing? A. Decision to test the maintainability of the software. B. Decision to test the system after migration to a new operating platform. C. Decision to test if archived data is possible to be retrieved. D. Decision to test after hot fixes. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB Syllabus. This option is maintainability testing, not maintenance testing. Don't mix up these concepts. Maintainability testing checks how easy it is to modify or extend the system. This type of testing usually performed during development as non-functional characteristic. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct, because this is a trigger for maintenance testing. Such a trigger is operational tests of the new environment as well as of the changed software. When a system is migrated to a new operational system, compatibility and regression tests are necessary to ensure that existing functionality is not broken. Answer C is not correct, because this is a trigger for maintenance testing. Such a trigger is testing restore retrieval procedures after archiving for long retention periods. Archived data retrieval testing ensures that historical data is accessible and functional after system updates, migrations, or changes in storage solutions. Answer D is not correct, because this is a trigger for maintenance testing. Such a trigger is a reactive modification of delivered software product to correct emergency defects that have caused actual failures. Hotfixes are urgent patches applied to fix security vulnerabilities or critical issues. Maintenance testing ensures that the fix works and does not introduce new defects. My recommendation: please remember all triggers for maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, option D; upgrades or migrations of the operational environment, option B; retirement, option C. This is fully consistent with the correct answer A. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you soon. I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop, never give up,